Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to have a look at the Apple Airpods. So simple packaging, clean and neat packaging as always. Apple has a white box with Apple logo over here, Airpods branding, same Apple logo, and over here is the Apple Airpods picture, and on the back side is the pricing and all. So it retails for around 12,900 in Indian currency. So let's unbox it and see what's and how it looks. So as always, Apple gives you the premium unboxing feeling. So here is designed by Apple in California. So just a simple how to connect, and that's it, nothing else. So they have not included the Apple sticker in this time. I don't know what's wrong with Apple. So here is the Apple Airpods. It's really very tiny and it looks so cute in the hands. So small. So let's keep it aside and let's see what else in the box. So here it comes with a lightning cable, which is really nice as it's included. I thought it won't be included in it. So now let's keep it aside, all this stuff, and let's have a look at the Apple main product over here. So let's remove the plastic pack. It looks like a dental floss box to me. It's really very small and shiny plastic. So this latch has a magnetic button over here. Over here is to connect and charge it, the lightning cable. So you can remove it individually, Apple Airpods, and it also has a magnetic inside and it charges wirelessly. And over here is a button which helps you connect the Apple Airpods to Android devices. I hope you can see this. So now, and over here is the light which shows that right now it's on, and when you connect it to the lightning cable to charge it, it will turn into a green or red according to how much the charging is in the AirPods. So now let's connect it to the iPhone and see how it is. So here is iPhone, and it connects very fast with the W1 chip which it has inside it, and as you open it, it will automatically show on your iPhone screen or any Apple devices. So just click connect, and it's connected, and it's showing me the charge which it has in the AirPods. So the Apple charging case has 74% and the AirPods has the 84% charge. So you can remove it individually, so as and when you connect. So let's keep it aside. So over here, let's have a look at the AirPods closely. So over here is a sensor, and over here also, and here is like a hole which helps in noise reduction from outside. Over here is the mic, and above here is a speaker. So it's really very nice, and it's really very small. I didn't expect it to be so small, and this is my first impression. So over here it is written right, and over here it has written left. So it has features like, as you remove from one ear, the music will automatically stop, and it has a touch sensors over here on the top, which helps you change the music, activate the Siri, and that's it. So I'll let you know how it is on my other video, and the link to the product will be in the description down below. And follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook. The link to all my social media will be in the description down below. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys.